Every day seems the same. You wake up, take a shower, eat a quick breakfast, maybe pick up some coffee or tea, and you are on your way to work. But every day is not the same. Every day people seem to forget to do something that they do almost daily or weekly. So here are the top 10 everyday things we forgot. 10th. Clothing stickers. Think we forgot taking the size sticker of your new clothes. You buy a new pair of jeans that make your boot look good and they are reasonable price. You take them home and took off all the tags and probably wear them. Then your friend say, "What is that on your pant?" And it is a size sticker. Whether it's of 34 to 30 centimeter or size for ladies, it was sticker to the side of your jeans for hours. 9th. Feeding the fish. Think we forgot feeding the fish. Anyone who has even had any fish know they are very easily to take care of. You buy them, plop them in a few gallons of water, put rocks in a bottom and some scenery if you wish, and clean it every once in a while. They are pure entertainment for people that just want to sit down and look at them. However, they are always seem to do something but people forgot. 8th. Flushing the toilet. Even use a friend restroom and say that the water is still yellow. I am sure it was happened more than once, and usually it was not due to the someone being rude or gross. They usually just forgot. They get a phone call and quickly finish their dad. They run to get it perhaps. For whatever reason, toilet doesn't always get flushed. 7th. Mail. Think we forgot. Shipping out letter or packages. Your mother's birthday is right around the corner. You buy her pretty necklace and a card that show how wonderful a mother she is. You wrap them and put them in a box to be shipped, and it sits in a back of your car for weeks. Happy birthday, mom. This always works for shipping out for text and sending a get soon back card. I know more than one function that I had package. 6. Medicines. Think we forgot taking out medicines. Billions of women across the world are on what place? A medicine that you must take every day, or you could have an oops baby on your hand. Every day, thousands, perhaps millions who cure forgot to take it. Some people to take cancer medicine or pain medicines daily. 5th. Recipes items. Think we forgot an item for a recipe you plan on making. Okay, this calls for 2 eggs, some flour and milk, but you forgot to pick up the milk. Well, there goes that idea. Millions of items every day go on brought by the people who need them. You forgot the milk or a butter or a cheese. You write a list down, or you get a call for your calling telling to pick up something else, and it's just slipped to your mind. 4th. Appliances. Think we forgot turning off unplugged appliances. Even leaving the house only to come back realize that stove is still on your curling iron is still plugged in. Yeah, me too. You feel stupid for a few minutes and then past only to come back again when you leaving a TV on night out. 3. Trash. Think we forgot taking out the trash. It's Tuesday and it is a trash day. Now it is a Wednesday and you have full can of garbage that you forgot to take out the night before. Now you have a smell old milk, cheese and meat for the next 6 to 4 days. Yeah, every week for you have to do walk your garbage out in the car. 2nd. Special functions. Think we forgot birthday, anniversaries, special functions. You curled up with your lady and had a great over all night and you are ready for bed. What did you get me? She asks and you frack. Oh, it's your anniversary today. I know it is very clicked, but it's a click because it happen every day. 1st. Essentials. Think we forgot keys, phones, purse, wallet. You probably forgot one of these items weekly. Whether you forgot where it put it last night, you just forgot to bring it with you. You go to the store and forgot your credit card, and you go to the unlock your car and left key inside. It a part of your life, losing the item it seems. It is joked about consistency with people, forgetting about the putting the item on your home. So these are all the top 10 everyday things we forgot. So if you like this video, please subscribe us for more information.